What is the full form of NPS? A. New Pension Scheme. B. No Pension Scheme. C. National Pension Scheme. D. None of these. Answer is C. National Pension Scheme. National Pension Scheme is effective from A. 1 January 2004, B. 1 August 2004, C. 1 April 2004, D. None of these. The answer is 1 January 2004. New entrants in railway service will come under National Pension Scheme. A. Automatically, B. By option, C. On administrative option, D. None of these. Answer is A. Automatically. National pension system is A. Contributory, B. Non-contributory, C. None, D. All are correct. Answer is A. Contributory. The contribution payable by the employer in national pension system is A. Monthly basis, B. Quarterly basis, C. Half yearly basis, D. Yearly basis. Answer is A. Monthly basis. The employee's contribution toward national pension system is A. 8% of basic pay plus DA, B. 9% of basic pay plus DA, C. 10% of basic pay plus DA, D. 12% of basic pay plus DA. Answer is 10% of basic pay plus DA. Employees' contribution under national pension system is A. 10% of basic pay and DA, B. 11%, C. 12%, D. 14% of basic pay and DA. Answer is 14% of basic pay and DA. Full form of PFRDA is answer C among all option given A, B, C, D, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. How many central board keeping agencies has been appointed by PFRDA under NPS? The answer among ABCD is answer B 2, that is NSDL and Karvi Computer Share Private Limited. Under NPS, which of the following banks has been designated as trustee bank? A. Bank of India, B. Axis Bank, C. State Bank of India, D. ICICI Bank. The right answer is Axis Bank, B. At the time of retirement on superannuation under NPS, minimum what percentage shall be invested for annuity in IRDA regulated life insurer? The right answer is C. 40% of the corpus at the time of retirement. If a railway servant covered under NPS dies in harness, his or her spouse shall invest minimum dash for annuity in IRDA regulated life insurer. The right answer is D. 80% of the corpus at the time of death. In case of death in service of a railway servant covered under NPS, pension will be paid to the eligible family members in the following order. The right answer is C. Spouse, mother of subscriber and father of subscriber. Staff covered under NPS are the right answer among all these four options A, B, C, D is A. Eligible for death cum retirement gratuity. Under NPS, partial withdrawal is allowed after a minimum service of option A 10 years, option B 5 years, option C 3 years, option D none of these. The right answer is 3 years. Maximum how many times partial withdrawal is allowed under NPS? Option A 5 times, option B 3 times, option C no limit, option D 10 times. Answer B is 3 times. What is the minimum gap Maximum between what two amount may partial be withdrawn withdrawals in the under first NPS? partial withdrawal under Except in NPS? case The zero right answer among withdrawal all four options is on 25% medical of ground. subscribers' The right contribution. answer is 5 years among all option A, B, C, D. In the second and For what subsequent purpose partial withdrawal partial under withdrawal is NPS, allowed from maximum what NPS? amount is allowed to The be right withdrawn? answer The right is answer all is of the B. above. For 25% higher of education of incremental children or contribution made by adopted the child, subscriber after the for death marriage of of first children or or next adopted child, subsequent withdrawal. or for purpose of construction Which of of the following residential house or agencies flat? is the regulator and administrator for the National Pension Scheme? The right answer is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. When a railway servant covered under National Pension System is under suspension, the amount of contribution toward NPS for the period of suspension will be, the right answer is C, no contribution. The unique permanent retirement account number allotted to the members of National Pension System has dash digit. The right answer is 12 digit. Which of the following are reckoned as pay for payment of contribution toward national pension system? The right answer is all of the above.